How to replace a DirecTV Trav'ler LNB. You will need the following tools to replace the LNB: a 7/16, 3/8, and 11/32 wrench, and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Press power on the interface box to power the system on. Once it raises up off the roof so the arm is at least parallel to the roof, press and hold power and select at the same time to power the box off. Unplug the power cable from the back of the interface box. On the roof, begin by loosening the 4 nuts that secure the LNB guard in place. To remove the LNB, use the 11/32 wrench to hold the nylock nuts in place and use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws. Carefully slide the LNB and LNB guard towards the end of the arm until the LNB comes free. Using the 7/16 wrench, disconnect the coax cable from the LNB. Connect the cable to the new LNB and tighten until finger tight, then use the 7/16 wrench for a quarter turn. Slide the LNB into the end of the arm, adjusting the LNB guard as necessary. Slide the 2 screws into the holes and use the nylock nuts and screws to secure the LNB in place. Tighten the 4 nuts holding the LNB guard in place using the 3/8 wrench. Plug the interface box back into power and power the system back on. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your DirecTV LNB.